In today's video, I'm going to share exactly how you can earn over $456 over and over and over again. And the great thing about this method I'm going to share with you today is once you've done the work once, this can become a passive income. And when I say work, I mean literally if you've got like say 10 or 15 minutes a day, you can get this whole method up and running. It's simple, it's free, and it's available worldwide. So what are we talking about and how can you make money with this? Well, for today's method, we're going to use a couple of sites. The first one is this one over here, and it's called Quora.com. Now let me just go over here and show you this really quickly. So if you don't know what Quora is, it's basically a huge question and answer site, and people are asking questions on this platform, and then the community, they go ahead and answer the questions. And the cool thing about this is inside of the questions you can leave a link and you can start direct you can direct the traffic wherever you want basically. So if I just go over here, let me just quickly show you this. I'm going to come over here into my account and click on stats because this is a really great method to make money online. So you can see on here, in the last 30 days, right, I have not been on Quora, I've not touched it at all yet. See here, these are all questions what people have asked on the platform, okay? At some point in time, I have answered these questions here, and literally from the answers I have given, I have received over 4,750 views in the last 30 days. It's pretty cool, isn't it? I mean, look at this. Every single day I'm getting traffic to the answers that I have given on the platform. So let me just give you an actual example. So let's go on to, is it really possible to earn online? What's this? 106 views in the last 30 days. When did I answer this question, first of all? So I answered this question in, look at this, I answered this question in 2018. So if I scroll down here, look what I'm doing. I'm sending people in this example here, I'm sending them over to my blog. So people go over to this article over on my blog, and guess what? Inside of this article here, there is affiliate links, there's affiliate products, and I'm earning commissions for doing so. That's just one example. So I mean, look at that, 2018, and yet it's still getting traffic. Let me go ahead and see if I can find another one. How do I make $100 a day with no investment? 64 views in the last 30 days. When did I answer that question? Again, 2018. It's pretty good, isn't it? I mean, literally, with this method here, you're just answering questions and you can literally be earning money for literally years down the road. So, if I come over here, click on the home page to go over to Quora. So step one is you sign up to Quora, create a free account. The next part is we're going to need a product or a service that we're going to recommend and share. Now for this example, I'm just going to grab a product over here on ClickBank. But look, you can do this with any affiliate network, any platform. You can even do this with Amazon Associates, eBay, Etsy, whatever. But I'm going to be focusing on ClickBank because it's available in most countries, it's free to sign up, and you can pretty much get an affiliate link straight away. So come over to ClickBank, create a free account, go up here where it says Marketplace. On the left hand side here you've got categories or niches, and literally this here, it's a full category. You'll find products related to health and fitness. If you click here, you'll then find subcategories and sub-niches. It's the same in all of these on here. Just click on any of these and it will drop down. So I'm just going to click on e-business and marketing, and we'll scroll down and we'll find a product that we're going to be promoting. So come down here, what's this? Text to speech. So I know what this product is. This is Speechello. This is a really good product, and you can see on here average conversion, so you can earn some decent money from this one here. Now look at this, the 12-minute affiliate system. Average conversion is $168. That's the average conversion. But look, you can see on here you can earn a lot more money from this. So if you see here where it says affiliate page, click on here and you can go ahead and find out more information about the product. So look at this here. You can earn up to $456.48 per sale by promoting a pretty decent product. So if I come down here, look, it'll tell you everything you need to know about this. So come further down the page here. Let's have a look at this. So the offer. So the 12-minute affiliate, that's the name of the product, sorry. The 12-minute affiliate is a plug-and-play system that finally makes affiliate marketing as easy as it has always been promised to be. So this is a plug and play activation. It can get set up in 12 minutes, etc. So you go through and have a look at all of this, and you'll find out lots of information on here. You can see this is a funnel. So you can see on here they've got a lot of products in here, so you can earn some pretty decent commissions. And look at this, a recurring one here and a recurring one down here. So you can earn some pretty good money from this product here. Come further down the page, there's lots more information. But look at this here, look. On the right hand side it says get swipes. So you could go ahead and market this here, and you could get the email swipes for this, and another one here. Now when it says email swipes, don't worry if you don't want to, set up an email autoresponder or anything like that. You don't have to. But let's just go ahead and have a look at some of this. So let me click on, you can go into any, look, so this one's a Facebook one. This one is, I don't even know what this is, let's go into it. So come down here, look, email swipes, come further on the page. Further on the page here, it tells you a bit of information about this. So you see this sort of stuff here, look. Most are saying that they've never seen anything this easy. Everyday people from all walks of life are getting results. So you could use some of this in the answers that we're going to be given over on Quora. So you can use this sort of stuff here. And normally, most decent products over on ClickBank, they will have an affiliate page like this, whereby you can go ahead and they will give you all of the tools and resources that you can use to basically market the product for them. So if I come back over here, we've got email swipes, we've got, what is this? We've got banners, and we've also got Facebook ads. So even though it says Facebook ads, you can still go into this and have a look at it and see if you can use any part of this for basically whenever you're marketing this. So if I come further on the page, look, let me ask you a silly question. Can you order So you can get all of this here, right? So this is all some stuff that we can use. So we've got our account on Quora set up for free. We've found a product over on ClickBank, again, for free. This one here is to do with affiliate marketing and, making money online. So what would we do? Well, step one is we'd go on Quora and we'd type in affiliate marketing. Okay, click on enter. Now on here, look, results for affiliate marketing. So these are all questions what people have asked on the platform. So you can go ahead and answer all of these. Look at this. How can you learn affiliate marketing? So I'm going to click on here and look at the annoying thing about Quora is whenever you click anything, it opens up into a new tab. So look at this. Currently, there's 348 people following this question. So anytime somebody answers a new question, anytime anybody answers, then these 348 people will get a notification, and obviously more people on the platform are reading this, okay? So it's pretty good. So let's go ahead and have a look at some of these answers. So let me just click on more. Come down here, and I have no doubt, so this person here, he's answered the question, and look, he's directing people over to, in this example, his Quora profile, whereby he has, look, check out the best affiliate marketing course. So he's trying to get people onto his own affiliate marketing course. Come further on the page, click on more. Look, linking out, linking out, linking out. Come further on the page, let's click on more. Look, this person here is leading them over to a YouTube video. Let's go a bit further down. This person's actually not linking out. Is this person linking out? No, so they're sending people over to funnels and other bits. But this is the process. So you find a product to promote. Once you've found that, you go ahead and you find people who are asking questions related to the product which you've found over on, any affiliate platform. So if I wanted to go ahead and answer this question now, I'd literally click on answer here and you write your answer below. So really quick, and I'm doing this really quickly as an example for you. I'm just going to grab this here really quickly and I'll go back over onto the answer. I'm just going to paste that in here, but you'd obviously, you'd put in an answer related to the question, and then here, let's just say you can type in, click here to see this product, or whatever. Basically, you'd highlight this. You obviously won't put it all in caps lock. Sorry about that. But basically you highlight any part of this, and you see here where this little link is, you copy that and you put in the URL. So let me just grab this URL from ClickBank over here and copy that, and I'm going to put that into here. So I'm going to click on here, sorry, I'm going to paste it into here, click on add, and then look what's happened. Look, see, it's gone blue, and it's gone with this link above this. So basically, anytime somebody was to click on here, I would be sending them directly over to the product over on ClickBank. Now, in terms of Quora, they're a little bit hit and miss with this. A lot of the time, they'll let you put your direct affiliate links in here, but they'd rather you just link out to a blog or a website. So a simple way of getting around this is you can go ahead and create a blog for free or a website for free on, Google. You can use Google websites, you can use Wix, GoDaddy, or there's hundreds. In fact, let me just go ahead and do this for you right now. Let me just type in free website. Look, Wix, all of these, look, Yola make a free website, Wix make a free website, Weebly make a free website. So all you'd do here is you'd create a free website, and then you go ahead and you put some information about this product here inside of your free website if you want to go down this route, and then you just direct the traffic from Quora over to your website. So instead of sending them directly over to the affiliate product, you direct them over to a blog page or a website page, and on the website or the blog you literally include the affiliate link over to the ClickBank product. Or if you're lazy and you don't want to do that, then you can just simply do what I've shown you here and literally just put your affiliate link in here and click on post, and then it's done. But the great thing about this Quora platform here is once you've answered this question over here, guess what? Let me just get rid of all this. So you answer this question here, you post it, and then look over here on the right hand side, related questions. So you could go ahead and answer this question, then you can answer this one, then you can answer this one, etc, etc. I mean, literally, once you go down the rabbit hole on this, you can spend a couple of hours easily answering all of these different questions here. It's just awesome. And the great thing about this method here is Quora, it's free traffic, it's evergreen traffic, as I showed you at the beginning of this video here. I have not used this platform in months, yet I'm still getting views on the answers that I've given on the platform. So look, that's today's video. And then look, if you want to learn, lots of different ways of making money with affiliate marketing, check out the links down below. There's my free affiliate marketing course, my YouTube course, and many more. But look, thanks for watching today's video. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But yeah, have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.